Everyone loves Disney movies. We associate movies such as The Jungle Book and Beauty and the Beast with our childhoods. It's been a long enough time that Disney has started making remakes. While the nostalgia and our love for these movies have remained the same, the graphics have changed a lot. One example of this is the Lion King movie. Here's the cartoon Lion King that came out in 1994. Now here's the Lion King remake that intends to come out next year. There's a large difference, right? Computer graphics have come a long way and make up a large part of our daily lives. But what are computer graphics? Computer graphics is a subfield of computer science that studies the creation and manipulation of visual content. Computer animation started off in the 1940s and 1950s with John Whitney, who is known as the father of computer animation. The first digital image was made in 1957 by scanning a photograph. 20 years later, during the 1970s, we see in the University of Utah the creation of many basic techniques developed to create 3D computer graphics. The first feature film to use animation also came along during this time period. The 1980s saw the first solid 3D CGI and feature movies, as well as the introduction of Disney, one of the future leaders of the animation industry. Motion capture technology makes its appearance in the 1990s, allowing for more realistic animation. In the 2000s, we see the advent of fully virtual cinematography. Coming back to the present, we see that computer graphics have come a long way from its predecessors. So where is computer graphics used today? Computer graphics are used in all fields. You see computer graphics when you search on Google every day, as well as watching your favorite films. They allow businesses and people to help others visually understand their goals and missions, as well as achieve visual depictions that wouldn't be possible to create in the real world. Although computer graphics have made a lot of progress, there are obstacles preventing further progress.
There are multiple problems in the field of computer graphics. For one, many computer graphics software programs are difficult to use and take time to learn, creating a large learning curve for people trying to enter this field. If we take a look at this photo editing software, you can see how many options there are to adjust the exposure on an image, contrast, etc. So obviously it takes a lot of expertise to know what each one of these tools does to the image. Computer graphics programs to make videos are much more complex, considering the software engineer must be knowledgeable in these topics and many more. A possible solution to this problem is having modules and lessons online that teach computer graphics principles that are more easily accessible to the public. Another problem in the field of computer graphics is that the quality of the technology one is using affects the quality of the computer graphic one is making. For example, if a computer lags, the computer graphic will lag as well. Sadly, the best solution to this problem is for the creator of the computer graphic to update their technology frequently. The last problem in the field of computer graphics I'm going to hit on is how time-consuming the process is to create them. For example, it took us 4 hours of editing to create this video, a computer graphic. A solution to this problem is having more people work on a computer graphic at once.
Computer graphics allows users to create visuals in a virtual environment, which could have been difficult to create in the real world. All fields from computer science to theater to biomedical all use computer graphics to some degree to better represent data and enhance your understanding and experience. There are many programs that allow creators to create visuals that you experience on your phone, your computer, the big screen, on TV, even in your dentist's office. Adobe is a maker of a handset of programs that assist creators in creating computer-generated graphics. One popular program used in industry is Adobe After Effects. Here you can see that with computer graphics, I have given my friend a lightsaber. And here you can see a very rough creation of a portal on a wall. With the same principles, and with more time and skill, amazing visuals have been created and have changed the possibilities in movies, video games, and even our world. These would have otherwise have been difficult and more time-consuming to produce in the physical world.